How to add yours template on Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add yours template on Instagram story. This is an easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First, create a story on Instagram by clicking on the plus icon and then create a story. Now add a photo as a background. This photo is not important and would usually go unnoticed, so you can just choose whatever. Next, tap on the stickers icon and click on Add Yours Template so that everyone can tap on this template. Then, tap on the template. Here, add text that you want to add to your template. You may also randomize it by clicking on the dice right here. And that's it! You have now successfully added a yours template on your Instagram story. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!